Can you pay the 150 today?
Not today, but
Calendar on the wall, if you can see that far, tell me when you want to pay it.
The sovereign citizen.
That's,
You're talking patent.
yeah, it's patent, that's uncovered.
No, yeah.
Misha.
thank you.
All right, counsel, are you on Walker? Your appearance, please. All right. And good morning. I understand that Ms. Walker is going to plead guilty to operating while intoxicated, and both original charges from January 28 would be dismissed. All right, go ahead and put your record on, or appearance on.
Well, on behalf of the city.
Okay. All right, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Ms. Walker, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights? Understand the options presented? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? The added charge. Are you pleading guilty to that added charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on January 28, 2026? Before you drove, did you drink alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? And do you know what the results were? Could you tell me? Satisfied with the plea, counsel? So am I. I'll accept the plea to the intoxicated driving charge, dismiss both the originals. I'm going to send you downstairs now to talk to probation. You'll find out when you're going to have an interview. Based on an interview with the probation officer, they'll put together a report and a probation recommendation. Counsel, why don't you go down and pick a sentencing date? So when you come back, you and counsel have a chance to go over that report and recommendation. I will have looked at it. Then we'll have a conversation about whatever you two want to talk about, and then I'll sentence you at that time. Do you understand all that? Any questions? Has she been arraigned, counsel? No, I need to set a bond. You're not going to talk me out of a personal, are you?
I'm going to ask for leave from one person.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first two conditions are pretty obvious. Number one, you stay out of trouble. Number two, show up here when you're supposed to be here. The third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that takes out no marijuana, no alcohol. Understood? Do you have any questions about any of that? Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions now? Go on downstairs and talk to probation. Have a good day, ladies.
So I'm seeing it's a hyphenated?
Oh, see?
C-E-R-D.
I've got another West in here. I've got that file pulled already.
Yeah, this is Wesley.
Yeah, Card Wesley.
20 yards and GBC.
His mother couldn't make a decision because his mother gave him a lot of names.
Oh, man.
They couldn't agree, so they gave them all to you. I bet you had a hell of a time in school, right? When you had to fill out those forms. All right. Counsel, tell me about it.
We're here today to complete all these stories that were in the last. Yeah, to be waived on the weekend. Judge, I'm unable to pre-trial the case. Talked to her a few times.
Good.
This is the original charge, I'm understanding the benefit. No contest to add common failings report.
No contest?
But the reason would be civil liability, we would rely upon the amended ticket to provide a basis. It's being in Romulus. Report an accident, you would not stand against that.
Yeah, I think the ticket has the information I need.
And he's been advised of his rights, in particular his trial rights, Your Honor, which is to help so. He's never been in trouble.
Okay. All right. Sir, you understand when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge. All right. So if I get the facts I need and I just looked at the ticket, it has the facts, then I can accept your plea and then we sentence just as if you pled guilty, just doing it without an admission. Understood? All right. And you've discussed your rights and options with counsel. You understand all that? And you understand the possible penalty for fail to report? And you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily, correct? Okay. I'm good. I saw the facts I need. I can dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence? None?
Worked at the airport for 12 years, Your Honor. On the night of this incident, actually stopped, exchanged information with the other driver.
Just didn't call the cops.
They examined the vehicle, there was very minimal damage.
Yep.
Seeking any justification. Based upon that, Your Honor, he failed to report. If he's
Yep.
ever done anything like this before, he won't do it again. He's embarrassing the
You learned a hard lesson. You know what happened? The other driver went home and talked to somebody and they said, you got to call the cops. That's what happened. That's almost always what happens. All right. Anything else? $200. Can you pay it today?
We'll be able to pay the bid next week.
Go downstairs and set up options. Yep. Good luck.
Probation in full of work they found file over there, so they just, the guys downstairs letting them payment plan on probation. They noticed the warrant of Romulus, they're gonna send them off, and it's such a straight, yeah.
That's fine. Who you got?
Gomez, Belton.
Gomez, hyphenated?
Looks like,
Yep, got it. Who else?
and the next one is Lamar Smith.
Good. All right, on Gomez Beltran. Oh, just an adjournment council?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, just enjoy. Just sit down. We're gonna get you a written notice for your next court date. Oh, that's handy.
Yeah.
And if they're in for a bench,
Yeah, yeah.
thank you.
Smith. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Smith.
45657, appearing with Lamar Smith. To my left, Mr. Smith, would you state your name for the record?
Name is Lamar Smith.
Hello.
So, I had a chance to, pre-try the, case process, well, essentially, and, we're gonna, avail ourselves of the deal, the offer, which would be to plead to the civil infraction of parking, the $150.
Okay, that's your agreement?
George, I mean, my child support checks is kind of getting garnished right now, because George, I got court coming up in a couple of days, I just need them to take a set payment.
Tell me when. Tomorrow's Friday the 19th. Can you do it next Friday? All right. On or before next Friday at 3. You're welcome.
It's just makes me want to know that he's lived in several different states and just wasn't aware, I guess, that.
Yeah, I see what you said.
I
I moved back home about 4.5 years ago, I've been out of town.
Well, welcome home. Have a good one. You're all set. Just come back with your cash.
Yeah, the paperwork here in 2 seconds.
The Sovereign Citizen.